So unlike the Mark II RS, the Mark III has an external fuel filter which you can change during servicing. The filter itself is held to the bracket with a single 8mm bolt, and there are two 10mm nuts that hold the bracket to the body. So you actually only need an 8mm, a 10mm, and a baby flat blade screwdriver to do this job. To release the line from this connector, just take a baby flat blade, get it underneath the edge, lift it up, and it will release. Put it back together, just squeeze the two halves, and it will click. So with this type of connector, it's got two steps. You need to spread these bottom tabs and push upwards, and that's released that. And now you can push this in, and it will release. Remove the 8mm bolt. Now you can slide your filter out. Slide your new filler in. This has got some tangs on it that have to sit there. So make sure that they're lined up properly and refit your bolt. Hook this line back up. It's going to this side. Just push it on till you hear it click. Push in the second tab till you hear it click. Clip the line back into the clamp. Squeeze it till you hear it click, it locks in. Refit the bracket back to the body of the car. Refit the two 10mm nuts. Clip the feed line back in till it clicks. Push down the secondary lock tab. Recommit your purge line. Done.